Right, we're looking at vectors, and vector is a description of a movement of a certain distance or magnitude, it can be called, in a certain direction. So we've got a couple of vectors here. We've got A, we've got B. Now look at the arrows there. They tell you the direction they're going. If you go in the opposite direction, it's a negative vector, so you've just got to be a little bit careful. Now it says the shape OACE, that's this shape here, is a rhombus. Okay, it says OA is A, right, and EO is B, and we've got to be careful about the direction of that. They've done that for a reason. The point B, and that's up here, there's B, is the midpoint of AC, and the point D is such that ED is 2 times DC. So this length, alright, if this length was 1 here, between C and D, this length would be 2, so that's double that. Okay, so just make sure you read the question carefully there. Right, it says find the vectors in terms of A and B. So we're going from O, which is here, O to C. So I'm going to go up here and then along here. Alright, because they're the directions I can go. I can only go in 2 directions, and so that's A. Alright, because it's going the same way as the arrow, but it's going the opposite way of B's arrow, so it's A minus B. Okay, now EA, so E goes here to here. Right, so EA goes either B plus A, because we're going the same directions, or I like it in alphabetical order, A plus B. It makes no difference. Oh, I do A plus B, I'm actually going via C, aren't I? I go E to C, C to A, alright? So there you go. EB, now B is, now there's a couple of ways of doing this. Okay, I could go this way, and this is the way, this is the shortest route, and I'm going there. Okay, so that is an A, and then I'm going half a B, because B is the midpoint. Okay, you can have fractions, so A plus half a B for that one there. Now then, last one, I'm just going to get orange, there we go. Now it says OD, so I need to go from here, O to D, so I'm probably going to go this way. Alright, and you can't see that brilliantly, it has to be said, but there you go, so I'm going there. Right, so that's going to be a minus B first of all, and then I'm going to go plus a certain fraction of A. Now it says, I'm going to be using this, alright, it says that that length from E to D is 2/3 of that side, because ED is 2 out of a total of 3, because 2 out of 1 is 3, so 2 out of a total of 3 of A. Alright, so just be a little bit careful. Remember, you can only travel in the directions it shows and the reverse of those. Okay, you can't just make up paths all on your own. Alright, just look at it carefully. It's pretty obvious. Just it doesn't have to be the shortest route, because ultimately you can get there at various different routes and you'll end up with the same answer. One thing I would say is, and I'm just going to do this in purple, right, if I've got the vector of A minus B, okay, is parallel to, say, 2A minus 2A minus 2B. Right, so multiples of vectors that are the same. So I could rewrite that as 2A minus B. Okay, and because of the A minus B bits, okay, that means that they're parallel. Alright, they're multiples of those.